This is Lana Lisa Williams, aka Survival Woman. Again, second time in one day. It's Memorial Day weekend 2021. Today is Sunday, May the 30th, and tomorrow's the 31st, Memorial Day. And it's really hot in California. We've got heat warnings for tomorrow. It'll be over 100 degrees in Central California where I live. And through the rest of the week, it's just getting hotter and hotter. It'll probably be 107 degrees at some point. And so, if we can stay in our homes and we have a little air conditioning, hopefully the electricity doesn't fail, or we have an EMP, which takes out all the technology, and then we don't have any more air conditioning or electricity. I hope we get through it okay. But it's hot, and nobody really wants to have hot soup to eat or cook, because cooking is kind of a hot activity. You stand around and you've got heat and flame if you've got good gas stove like I have, and that's who wants to eat anything hot like soup on Memorial Day weekend when it's really, really hot in California and the rest of the West, I believe, in America. So I'm going to show you how very simply you can improve on the stuff you get at Walmart. So it's really a very simple recipe. Start off with that's backwards. Yeah, macaroni and cheese, which it's spelled backwards because I've got the camera turned around, but that is Walmart macaroni and cheese. I'm sorry, macaroni salad. See, it's so hot I can't think. It's macaroni salad spelled backwards from Walmart. And you get this at the Walmart deli, and I've used some of it, but I'm gonna use the rest in my own little recipe that I made up by myself, because you can do this. So the macaroni salad from Walmart, not mac and cheese, because that's hot and nobody wants to eat hot food right now. It's good. It's got, mayonnaise and little macaronis and a little bit of pickle relish and a little bit of pimento, which is this red sort of spicy chili thing. But it doesn't have enough green stuff in there, and it doesn't have enough protein. So I'm going to improve on it and maybe add a vegetable. So what I do, first of all, this is where it gets really interesting. You get Alaska pink salmon. That's great value from Walmart, and it's all backwards, I know, because I turned the silly camera on my phone around. But you get salmon, pink salmon from Walmart, and it's cheaper to buy the great value brand from Walmart than to buy, a fancy name brand. And, just got salmon oil on me. Ew. I'll get that out later. That's the hazard of cooking. So you get the pink salmon and you take out some and you put it into the macaroni salad, which is right. I can't even do this without help. Okay, so you've got the macaroni salad and the pink salmon, and you just combine them. Right, just dump it in there. And I don't have much left because I've been using this. I'm just going to use the rest of it because pink salmon is really healthy. And this might sound gross, but you wait till you taste it. It's a nice cold salad for when it's hot outside. And you are improving on the great value Walmart recipe of macaroni salad. And you don't have to cook. So you just get canned salmon. Pink salmon's cheaper. You can use red salmon. You put it in the macaroni and stir it up, but you're going to add more stuff, so you don't have to stir it up much right now. So there's my macaroni from Walmart in the plastic at the deli section, and my pink salmon from Walmart, and I put the salmon in here. I drain the water out first, of course. So there you have it. Now we're going to add something else. We're going to take some mustard that I also got great value from Walmart because that's their cheap brand, and this is honey Dijon mustard, kind of the fancy stuff, but it doesn't cost anymore, and I like it. It's like French, right? Dijon and honey, so it's a little bit sweet and a little spicy. So you put some of the mustard in there. Yeah, there you go, just to give it more flavor. And mustard is not fattening. Macaroni salad has mayonnaise in it, and that's kind of fattening, but mustard is not. So oh, there's one more thing I forgot. The relish. You know what? Instead of relish, I got jam. Okay, so just pretend I have green relish, and I'm adding green relish in here. All right, pickle relish. Or you could add pickles. You know, I should really go get that. Hang on, I'll be right back. I've got my little fridge in my room. Be right back. Hi. Yeah, I have this nice master suite with a really sweet landlady in Central California. And she's a nice Christian lady. And I bought a little fridge for my master suite. It's such a beautiful room. And this is the golden hour. And the sunlight is shining in from the glass door in my room that goes to the backyard and the patio. So the western sun, as it's getting ready to set in the golden hour on Memorial Day weekend, is shining on me. All this is natural light. It's really beautiful light. And if you're a photographer, you definitely should take some photos at the golden hour or a video. So I did get the pickle relish. Yep, that's great value again. Sorry, the words are backwards. I got to figure out how to stop that. But I'm doing this myself with no help. So, you know. So you get the pickle relish, and, you know, having a good spoon, a clean spoon, is a good idea. So you take some pickle relish out, because, you know, I really think macaroni salad from Walmart or anywhere, if it's already made, never has enough pickle relish, because pickle relish adds, you know, healthy stuff, because pickles are really healthy. Pickles are cucumbers that have been put in vinegar and stuff. This is sweet pickle relish, so I prefer sweet pickles to, you know, really sour ones. But you can use any kind of pickle relish, or even pickles. You could cut up the pickles, or you could add them on top when you're done, however you want to do it. So then you've got the macaroni salad from Walmart. Yep, the words are backwards. You've got the pink salmon, great value from Walmart. They're all the same brand. And you've put in some Dijon style honey mustard from Walmart, same brand. And you've added great value pickle relish. There's only one thing you've got to do after you stir it, is add one more thing. You can also get at Walmart, the great value, but this particular one I got at Sam's Club. It's the good stuff because, you know, Sam's Club is really nice, and you can get like a pack of 8 of these instead of just one like you would get at Walmart. So this is early California black olives. Yeah, they're really good. They're whole olives with the pits or stones or whatever you call them removed, so that there's no like little pit in there. And of course you have to kind of pry open, because I used this before. And you really should drain them. And maybe you need a clean utensil again, so I have a fork. And you just take the black olives, there we go, and you just put them in there. Yeah, and just drain the water out. And I've got like just enough for this one. I'm making like a double serving. This could serve 2 people easily, maybe more, maybe 3 or 4, depends on what else you've got to serve with it. All right, so one more. All right, so I've got my my olives. Oh yeah, it's been a long, hot day. Got my olives and just these ingredients all together. And you just kind of stir it up. And maybe you think, how could I have pink salmon with macaroni salad and mustard and pickle relish and olives, and how would that taste good? But you know what? It's pretty good. I mean, why go pay? It doesn't look bad either. You know, why go pay for an expensive salad at a restaurant when you can just do it yourself with Walmart stuff? Or you can even get the olives from Walmart or Sam's Club, you know. And you just mix it all together pretty well. You put it in a bowl, and you could have it with, like, I like to use like spinach, fresh spinach leaves. You could put it on fresh spinach leaves and have a really healthy salad. And you could have some tea to go with it. This is green tea in my cup. That is an easy way to improve upon the deli section of Walmart or any supermarket in America or anywhere. So I hope you will try this. It tastes good, and it's pretty healthy, because now you have some protein from the salmon, and you've got pickle relish and olives for a little extra vegetables. And you've got mustard, which is low calorie and healthy for you to add taste. And then, oh yeah, one more thing you could put is pepper. You could put black pepper on the top. Yeah, just add some black pepper in, because black pepper is actually really healthy too. Just stir it really well, and you have got a nice salad that you don't even have to cook. Try it and tell me if you don't like it. So I hope your Memorial Day weekend 2021 is going well. I miss my husband Jose. Governor Gavin Newsom, please set him free from prison. This is Lana Lisa Williams, otherwise known as Survival Woman, telling how you can survive on a very tight budget and make healthy food without ever having to turn on the heat in your kitchen. Goodbye.